हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आप लोगों को अब तक देख के पता चल गया है कि मैं क्या बनाने वाली हूँ। आज मैं बनाऊँगी हॉट चॉकलेट। और ये हॉट चॉकलेट मैं विदाउट कॉर्नफ्लावर के बनाऊँगी, कॉर्नफ्लावर यूज़ नहीं करूँगी। और बहुत ही इजी और नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स से बनाने की कोशिश करूँगी। आप लोगों को शायद अच्छा लगेगा। वीडियो थोड़ा सा लंबा हो गया है, थोड़ा एंड तक देखिए, वीडियो में बने रहिए। So for this hot chocolate, I am going to take two types of chocolate. One is dark chocolate and one is milk chocolate. मिल्क चॉकलेट थोड़ा सा क्रीमी होता है, तो इसलिए मैं यूज़ करूँगी डार्क चॉकलेट के साथ। तो मैं 150 ग्राम का 2 पैकेट है, तो इसमें से मैं 50% यूज़ करने वाली हूँ। और मैं इधर दोनों चॉकलेट के सेम अमाउंट ले रही हूँ, लेकिन डार्क चॉकलेट थोड़ा ज़्यादा ले रही हूँ। और इसको बहुत अच्छी तरह से चॉप कर लेंगे और उसके बाद एक बाउल में रख के फिर नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस की तरफ जाएंगे। Chop the all chocolate pieces, and now I am going to keep this in a bowl. Now I am going to keep ready our cream, and for this whipped cream I am going to take this whipped cream powder, and with this powder we have to add 50 ml of milk for half packet, because 25 gram I am going to use. For 25 gram powder I need 50 ml of milk. I already mixed that with the milk and then I kept it fridge for 15 minutes, and now I took out and I am going to mix this, and again I am going to keep this fridge for another 15 minutes. I need to mix this for 4 minutes on high speed, and we will keep this mixture in fridge, but make sure that you don't keep this mixture to the deep freezer. Now I am going to measure the milk. Here I am taking almost 250 ml of milk. As we can see, our glass is not full, so I am going to add 10 ml here. So because the black color, this cup is 240 ml and this is approximately 10 ml I am adding. So totally 250 ml of milk I have taken here. And now I am going to pour this milk to a bowl, and I am going to add all the ingredients. So here 1/4 teaspoon of coffee powder I am adding. Coffee powder will enhance the taste. You can add vanilla essence, but I am not adding today. And this is 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Now I am going to mix all the ingredients, and we have to check that there should not be any lumps in this mixture. Here the mixture is ready, and now I am going to take this mixture into the kadhai and I am going to boil this. And we need to check because how much thickness you want. Till the time you have to keep moving your hand and you need to boil. Now we need to keep rotate our hand in a circular motion, because we cannot stop moving our hand, then there will be lumps and we don't want the lumps. I am trying to give it a good mix, because आप चाहो तो इसको मिक्सर ग्राइंडर वंस बॉयल हो जाएगा उसके बाद आप इसको मिक्सर ग्राइंडर में डाल के एक बार चला सकते हो, बट मेक श्योर दैट कि ये मिक्सचर बहुत ही ज़्यादा हॉट रहेगा, तो उस टाइम में मिक्सचर ग्राइंडर में आप डालोगे तो हवा निकलने के लिए थोड़ा आपको जगह छोड़ना पड़ेगा. Now here I am going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and you can add a pinch of salt also. At this time I am going to mix this for few minutes. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons heavy cream. I already mixed the cream and now I am adding. Now I am going to mix this until the mixture is thicker. Now our mixture is ready. Now I am going to add the chocolate which we have chopped already. So here is our chocolate. I am going to add this and we'll give it a mix until the chocolate will melt. Now chocolate and this milk, everything, we are going to mix it very well. And slowly the chocolate will melt and you can see the color, it will change. And why this mixture is so thicker now, you can see, and some glossiness is there because I did not add corn flour. If you want you can add, but I try to avoid most of the time corn flour. So I have added the whole fat milk and full cream, and then cream also, fresh cream which I have taken, that was also heavy fresh cream. So it's automatically the creamish texture will come, so no need to add corn flour again. So I did not add. If you like to add, that is up to you totally. So as you can see now the mixture, the color it has changed. So chocolate have already melted, our hot chocolate is ready, but I have taken this type of fry pan because I was not having the heavy bottom saucepan. So if you have the saucepan, you go ahead with that, because in this fry pan it will be cool very fast. So I have kept this in the hot water. If you see the mixture is little more thicker, you can keep the hot water and then top of that you can keep the bowl for 2 minutes. So automatically it will the chocolate will melt. Now I am going to do the plating. I will decorate the cup little, and I have taken Hershey's chocolate spread, and top of the cup I am going to pour this. Like this I am going to cover the all the cup head, and once it will pour down, it will give a nice design on cup. See, the cup is looking like this. I am going to fill the cup now. Our chocolate is ready. So here is our winter special hot chocolate is ready. Now I am going to decorate this chocolate with some whipped cream. This whipped cream already vanilla flavor and sweetened cream, so I did not add any other extra flavor from outside. Now I am going to serve this hot chocolate with some chocolate biscuit. Drizzle some chocolate sauce on top. So enjoy this winter with my version of hot chocolate, and do let me know in the comment section below how was it. I'll be waiting for that. Hope you like this recipe. If you like my recipes, please give me a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends and families. And you haven't subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get all the notification whenever I'll upload a new recipe. And I'll be back with some another interesting recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.